Concerns about the US economy and its huge piles of debt were what dragged Wall Street lower today, as well as Asian markets and the Australian share market, which fell 0.5%. Basically, investors here and overseas are keeping a close eye on America's national debt, which has ballooned to 36 trillion US dollars. Now, Donald Trump wants Congress to approve his so-called Big Beautiful Bill, which will majorly ramp up spending, deliver tax cuts to the ultra-rich, and increase America's debt burden even further. And that could lead to higher borrowing costs and a spike in global inflation. And the way for America to finance President Trump's extra spending is to borrow even more money, hence the investor anxiety. What Trump wasn't prepared for was the investor pushback when his Treasury Department tried to sell $25 billion worth of bonds overnight. There wasn't huge demand for it, especially since America's credit rating got downgraded over the weekend. So that's why the 20-year Treasury yield surged above 5%, close to pre-GFC levels. Essentially, lenders are demanding a higher interest rate from the Trump administration to compensate them for the higher risk of lending to the US. Hence the big fall in the US dollar and a good year so far for small fry currencies like ours. The Aussie dollar is now at 64.4 US cents, while Bitcoin went above 110,000 US dollars at one stage, which is a new record. And if you want more signs people are feeling nervous, just check out the gold price, which has jumped to 3,326 US dollars an ounce, which in turn drove up the price of gold mining stocks here, one of the few safe places to hide, it seems. And that's finance.